Hi guys! Today, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use the Take Screenshot command to capture screen images while running an automation script. To use this command, you simply need to drag and drop it onto the script creation dashboard, and then click on the three dots icon to edit it. Here, you can choose one of three ways to capture screenshots. Page, capture the screen image that is currently displayed. You can name the file here, or the system will generate a random name for you. The file will be saved in the default downloads folder on your computer. You can go to the folder to review the image after the automation script ended. The second choice is full page, capture the entire website screen. If you want to save this image to a different folder, simply navigate to the desired folder, copy the folder's path, and paste it here. The script will capture the entire content displayed on the website you are currently visiting. And the last choice is an element, capture any selector on that website. To obtain a selector, Hidemyacc has provided specific instructions in previous videos. You need to enter the CSS selector of the element here and then press the script run button. So, Hidemyacc has completed the tutorial on how to use the Take Screenshot command to create automation scripts. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel to stay updated on important information. And if you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Hidemyacc team through Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success!